Introduction to logic gates. Logic gates are classified into three types. First one, basic gate. Second, universal gate. And third type is special purpose gate. Again, basic gates are of three types. First one, AND gate. Second, OR gate. And third type is NOT gate. Universal gates are of two types. First one, NAND gate, and second one, NOR gate. Special purpose gates are of two types again. First one, XOR gate, and second one, XNOR gate. Now we will see basic gates in detail. First one, AND gate. The statement for AND gate is the output assumes logic 1 state when both inputs are at logic 1 state, or it can also be written as the output assumes logic 0 state even if one of its input is at logic 0 state. So, if we see the truth table for AND gate, if A and B are inputs and Y is output, then the truth table will be 0, 0, output will be 0, 0, 1, output will be 0, 1, 0, output will be 0, and lastly 1, 1, 1, 1, output will be 1. So, here we can see that if both the inputs are 1, output will be 1, and if even one input is 0 or more than one input are 0, then output will be 0. So, if we write the Boolean expression for this AND gate, we will get Y is equal to A and B. So, this is the Boolean expression for AND gate, and the symbol used for AND gate is this type. So, inputs will be A, B and output will be Y, which is equal to A dot B, or we can say A and B. Now, next we will have OR gate. So, the statement for OR gate will be the output assumes logic 1 state if even one of its input is in logic 1 state, or it can also be stated as output assumes logic 0 state when both of its input are in logic 0 state. So, if we write down the truth table for OR gate, we will get inputs A, B and output Y. So, your truth table will be for 0 0 output will be 0, 0 1 output will be 1, 1 0 output will be 1 and lastly 1 1 output will be 1. So, here we get the Boolean expression as y is equal to a plus b. This is the Boolean expression for OR gate, and the symbol used for OR gate is of this type. Inputs A and B and output y, which is equal to a plus b. So, this will be the symbol used for OR gate. Now, lastly we have NOT gate. Now, for NOT gate the statement will be the output of a NOT gate assumes logic 1 state when its input is in logic 0 state and vice versa. Now, if we write down the truth table, we will have A as input and output as Y. As we know, NOT gate has only single input, so it will be either 0 or 1. So, output will be its inverted form, or we can say complement form. So, it will be 1 or 0. If input is 0, output will be 1, and if input is 1, output will be 0. The symbol used for NOT gate is of this type. So, input will be A and output will be A bar. So, Boolean expression for NOT gate will be y is equal to A bar. So, this is the Boolean expression for NOT gate. Thank you.